Hey guys, Dr.ZyBorg here, and this is the first tech video on the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Powerbeats 3 wireless, and as you can see, they're the 10-year special edition, which comes in my favorite colorway, the red and black. These are not truly wireless earphones because they attach to each other by a neckband, and these are exactly the kind of ones that I've been looking for, because truly wireless earphones, including the AirPods, don't seem to fit in my ears. The left one always, and I say always, fall off. It's probably something wrong with my ears. Let's take a look at the boxing now. On one side, we have a message by Dr. Dre. At the back, there are a few technical specifications. You can pause the screen to read them. On the other side, again, it's just the Beats branding. At the bottom, a few tech specs again. And there's a pull tab here. I'm guessing we just pull it to open the box. Right. So that came off easily. Oh, there's another pull tab in here. Let me pull that and see. Okay. It's a bit tight. Okay. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to use a fair bit of strength. Beast mode coming up. Uh, oh my god. I just can't seem to get into this thing. Yep, got it. We have to pull it up. Right. So, wow. That's beautiful. Red and black. There's a pull tab here again. Keeping the earphones to the side. And we have a few extra ear tips. 3 pairs in the box and one attached to the earphone, so we have 4 pairs in total. Great sound starts with a proper fit, that's what it says. Okay, let me take this out now. Right, that's how it comes out. Okay, looks like we have some literature in there. And that's it for the box contents. I'm gonna set this aside. Let's take a look at this now. Right, so great sound starts with a proper fit. Wow, a red carry case, I was totally not expecting that. And a micro USB cable. It has a fast fuel charging feature which gives you 1 hour of play for 5 minutes of charge. Beats branding, as you can see. Apple acquired Beats a couple of years ago, but then we are stuck with the micro USB on this and not the Lightning. I'm sure everybody's got micro USB cables lying around at home. Yeah, it's a short cable for charging and carrying around with you. Let me take it out. Yep, USB A on one end and micro USB on the other. It feels pretty good in the hand. Definitely not one of those cheap aftermarket cables. Yep, short cable, as you can see. I'm going to set it aside and let's take a look at the carrying case. Okay. Wow, that hurt. Okay, here we go. This feels really soft. Wow, the silicone is it's pretty amazing. It's really soft, it's pliable. There's some branding in here. Let me peel it off. 10 years, yeah. That's what it says. And of course the Beats logo. Man, this material is amazing. I'm gonna keep it there. Let's see what is in here now. Okay. Okay, I'll take that out later. Yep, that's it. So let's see what we have here. Powerbeats 3 wireless. It's a user manual. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Can be used with other Apple devices as well. Works on any iOS device with iOS 10 and beyond. There's a Beats sticker in here. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, and some more literature. I'm pretty sure there's something important in there that none of us are going to read. So, yeah, let's get rid of that. The sticker is pretty nice. Now for the earphones themselves. Yeah. Okay. Some more pulling to be done. Okay, the earphones they stick out from the back. Okay. Beast mode or not. Okay, I think I'll get these out first. Inline controls. Yep. Oh my god. Okay. Yep, that's it. Oh, there's some more red accents in here. So, this is how the earphone looks. We have the power button on this side, the Beats branding, the ear tips which are already attached. These are the right and the left earpieces. Yeah. Let me give you a 360 on this. This is for adjusting the neckband. Some people like it snug around their necks, some people like it pretty loose. So you can pull this to adjust the length as per your requirements. The power button. Okay, this is pretty soft. I think it's rubber, but it's pretty soft. Or it's probably a hybrid material. The charging port, the micro USB charging port. Yep, that's where it goes. Now this device is water resistant, it's not waterproof, so it can obviously withstand a few splashes, a few raindrops, sweat to some extent, but I will not recommend this, or I would not suggest you go swimming with this, because it is definitely not waterproof. It is only water resistant. So yeah, this is very soft, very very soft. Inline control, the buttons, they're very clicky. Yeah, they're really clicky there. Okay. Similar layout, but then the power button and the charging port and the inline controls are all on one side. This side just has the microphones, which the other side also does, yeah. But that's the only thing on the other side. So these earphones with the ear hooks, that is what I've been looking for, because the truly wireless earphones don't seem to stay in my ears. The left one always falls off, and I know a lot of people who face the same situation. One of the ears, it the ears are not created evenly, so the right or the left, they fall off. There are loads of people who cannot go running or jogging or hit the gym with truly wireless earphones. I'm one of them. So these ear hooks help to keep it in place. The Jabras that I was using earlier, that was also the same. They had ear hooks and they stayed perfectly well in my ears. Let's see if it has any juice in it. That's the power button there. You have to hold it down for a second, and no, I'm not seeing any lights. Let me try again. Nope, definitely dead out of the box. Let's see if that fast fuel feature works as advertised. I'll be back in 5 minutes once it's charged. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm going to be using my secondary device, the OG iPhone SE, for this test. It's got a beautiful D-brand skin on this, and I'm a huge fan of D-brand products, by the way. Okay, let's fire it up and let's see how it goes. Now these earphones, they have the Apple W1 chip just like the first generation AirPods. So pairing it up should be fairly simple. That's the power button there. Hold it down for a second and we'll see a white light. There it is. And the device shows up on the screen, just like the AirPods do. Press connect and we're done. It's as simple as that. Really, really convenient, I would say. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with how the AirPods connect, I'll show you that as well. My AirPods are here. Flip the lid open and there you go. You close it and it disappears. Open again, close, open. I just love doing that. Close. I just noticed the headphone symbol next to the battery. There it is. It just means that the power beats were connected all this while, even though I was fiddling with the AirPods. Let's keep this aside and take a look at the ear tips. So there are 3 ear tips which come sealed in a nice premium packaging. I'm gonna peel this off. Now you can choose your ear tip as per your comfort and your convenience for a proper fit, and they're resealable. So I'm going to take this off. It should be fairly easy. Just grab and pull. That's it. Now let's choose a ear tip. I'll go for the second one. Okay, the first ones fell off. I might as well use them. Right. So grab, align, and that's it. It's on. Just taking a look at the ear hooks. They're flexible to an extent. You can do that and that or that. It's very soft to touch, and I don't think you should have any problem wearing this for long hours, whether you're out running, hitting the gym, or just lazing around at home. So that's it, guys. This was the unboxing of the Powerbeats 3 wireless and a brief overview. I got a very good deal on these here in Oman at 30 Omani Riyals, that is just under 6,000 rupees. And as you've already figured out by now, red and black is my favorite color combination, so I obviously went for this colorway. But there are a few other options out there for you to choose from. Apple recently came out with the latest version of this, which is called the Powerbeats. They're not called the Powerbeats 4 wireless or anything of that sort. It's just Powerbeats. And the truly wireless version has been out for a while now. It's called the Powerbeats Pro. So that's about it. This is the first video on the channel, so do hit the like button if you liked what you saw. Please share this video with your friends and family members, and do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to know what you think about the video and what you would like to see next. Do support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. This channel is going to be focusing on not just tech content, but travel vlogs and lifestyle content as well. I have a few fun videos lined up for you, which will be coming out in the next couple of days and weeks. So make sure you press the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a video. This is Dr. ZyBorg signing out. Peace.